So I've had a few people recently at the markets point out that they would like more fidget toys. So I came across this clicker from Bagoon on MakerWorld, and let's quickly assemble one. Okay, so these are all the parts you need to assemble one of them. I printed two, but we get the wheel and we put it in our little mechanism. Get one of our housing and line up our dowels. Then we put the other one in. Hold on. Yep. Put our other dowel in. Now, unfortunately, these are a press fit. Ooh. Almost. Huh. The other one I made, I had to use pliers, but there we go. All done. And here's my red one. And there we go. Some new fidget toys to sell off at the markets.